It's crazy.
Look at Willow.
Get it, Willow.
Willow's like, it's right there. Look at Willow. Another one's climbing up.
Oh,
Another
like
one.
Attack of the
There's
Squirrels.
another one.
They're going to wreck our screen. What are they doing? They're gonna jump from there, watch. Oh my goodness.
Willow is meowing.
What are they doing, Willow?
I'm going to try going to suet feeders.
Watch. They'll probably jump.
Look at Willow. She's like,
How'd you leave it up there?
They're just climbing up the screen.
Willow's just like,
Naughty
they're right
squirrels.
here.
oh, she's trying to climb. Go get him, Willow. He's skydiving.
Now his partner is looking down saying, well, that didn't turn out well, did it? Do you think you should go for it?
Maybe if they got to the suet feeders, they would do it.
I don't know.
Look at Willow. He's not paying attention there anymore.
It's right there, Willow. Get the squirrel.
It ran off.
Those are crazy squirrels.